Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to find your part number for the print head on a Canon printer, a Canon Inkjet printer. So first what you'll need to do is remove the print head. In order to do this on this MX722 model and similar models of those years, you're just going to open the front. On this model there's a separate door for the cartridges. Then you're going to remove all the ink cartridges. Alright, now the print head is right here, but when you try to pull this back, you can see that it's stuck right on this side. So in order for us to have the carrier unit in the right position for us to remove the print head, we're going to keep this open. We're going to press and hold the stop button. So this button right here, we're going to press and hold until we hear the beep. There we go. And right away you'll see the carrier start moving to the right and then come back to that position that we need it in. And at this point we can just pull this forward and remove our print head. To do so on this model, there's a wall in the middle that we can just grab by, tilt it forward like so, and pull it out. So the part number is going to be on the right or the left side of the print head. You can see it right here. For this model, it is QY60086. So most, the ones that I ran across so far are always going to start with a QY6 dash something. So that's how you find your part number for your print head if you're trying to replace it or looking for this part. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.